4K drones capture stunning aerial footage, enhance photography, and simplify surveying, inspections, and outdoor adventures. My today's video is about top 5 best 4K drones that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Bwine 4K drones. The Bwine F7 Mini 4K RC3 is an impressive drone that combines professional features with beginner-friendly operation. Its upgraded 5.5-inch 1080p controller screen provides a bright, clear view, eliminating the need for a smartphone while making flying more convenient. The 48MP camera captures stunning 8K photos and smooth 4K video, while the 3-axis brushless gimbal and electronic image stabilization deliver stable footage even in windy conditions. With up to 64 minutes of flight time using 2 batteries and a transmission range of up to 20,000 feet, it's perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, inspections, and aerial photography. GPS features like active track, waypoint flight, orbit mode, smart return to home, and precise hovering make flying easy and reliable. Weighing under 249 g, it avoids FAA registration requirements in many cases. Complete with accessories, a carrying case, firmware updates, and a 2-year warranty, this drone offers excellent value and performance. Now our second product is Bwine 4K drones. The Bwine F7 is a feature-packed GPS drone that offers an excellent balance of performance, stability, and ease of use. Its detachable 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal captures sharp, smooth footage, while the 120 degrees wide-angle lens and 5x digital zoom make it easy to film landscapes and detailed aerial shots. With 3 intelligent batteries providing up to 75 minutes of total flight time, you can enjoy longer flying sessions without frequent recharging. The powerful brushless motors and level 6 wind resistance deliver stable flights, even in challenging conditions and higher altitudes. Smart GPS features, including automatic return to home, follow me, waypoint flight, and orbit mode, make flying safer and more enjoyable for beginners and experienced pilots alike. FAA Remote ID compliance adds confidence for legal operation, while the companion app allows easy sharing and editing of photos and videos. Overall, it's a dependable drone with impressive value and performance. Our third product is Chubory 4K drones. This 4K GPS drone is an excellent choice for both beginners and hobbyists looking for reliable performance and high-quality aerial photography. The built-in 4.5-inch HD display on the remote provides a clear real-time FPV view without needing a smartphone, while the included 32GB SD card lets you save photos and videos right away. Its 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens captures sharp images and smooth aerial footage from impressive angles. With GPS-assisted features like automatic return to home, follow me, and circle fly, flying feels safe and intuitive. The 3 included batteries provide up to 90 minutes of total flight time, allowing longer photo sessions and outdoor adventures. Quiet brushless motors ensure stable performance, and the lightweight foldable design under 250 g makes it easy to carry almost anywhere. Overall, this drone offers an outstanding combination of portability, intelligent flight features, and excellent image quality at a great value. Now number 4, DJI 4K drones. The DJI Neo 2 is an impressive lightweight drone that combines portability, intelligent features, and outstanding image quality. Weighing only 151 g with C0 certification, it's easy to carry and includes full propeller guards for added safety during transport and flight. Palm takeoff and landing, along with gesture controls, make it incredibly beginner-friendly, while active track keeps subjects smoothly in frame for dynamic footage. The ability to monitor flights and adjust tracking through an Apple Watch adds extra convenience. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing inspires confidence by helping avoid collisions, making flight safer in various environments. The 4K camera captures crisp, vibrant photos and videos, perfect for travel, vlogging, and everyday adventures. The package is also generous, including the DJI RC Motion 3, DJI Goggles N3, 3 batteries, a charging hub, and essential accessories for an immersive FPV experience. Overall, the DJI Neo 2 delivers exceptional performance, safety, and value in a compact drone. And our last choice is Potensic 4K drones. The Potensic Fly More Combo is a compact yet powerful 4K drone that delivers impressive performance for both beginners and experienced pilots. Its 12MP Sony CMOS camera records sharp 4K per 30 frames per second video, while the 3-axis brushless gimbal keeps footage smooth and stable, even in level 5 windy conditions. The upgraded PixSync 3.0 transmission system provides a reliable control range of up to 6 kilometers, making long-distance flights more dependable. With 3 batteries offering up to 96 minutes of total flight time and a fast charging hub that recharges all batteries in about 1.3 hours, you can spend more time flying and less time waiting. Weighing under 249 g, the drone is highly portable and does not require FAA registration in many situations. Visual tracking, quickshots, GPS return to home, and regular firmware updates enhance the overall experience, making the Atom an excellent choice for capturing professional-looking aerial photos and videos. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.